Welcome to Inside Wall Street. My name is Nancy Lanzenova and I'm here at the New York Stock Exchange on the trading floor. And his name is Peter Tuchman, broker of Quattro Securities, but everyone here on the floor calls him Einstein. Peter, thanks for joining us on Inside Wall Street.
How are you?
Peter, first of all, why do they call you Einstein?
Well, as you can see, that's who I look like.
No, honestly, what's going on here on the floor right now? Do you have a lot to do?
Actually, I do have a lot to do. I'm trading Citibank, which has been under a lot of pressure over the last few days. The whole banking sector has been acting really poorly. And just sort of watching the market. The market is up 5 days in a row, 5 out of 6. And sort of curious, you know, it's just being run by news. Yesterday's news was bad, the market went up. Today's news is good, the market went up. So it just doesn't seem like there's anywhere else to put your money within New York Stock Exchange.
Peter, I know you're a bear. Why are you more bearish than bullish?
You know I'm a bear because I tell you the market's going down every day. But I've been clearly wrong for a long time now. It just seems that the market is just overbought. You know, the economy isn't getting that much better. But it seems that there's just nowhere else to put your money, you know. All over the world, it's, you know, we're living in bizarre times right now. And at least for the last month, it's, you know, we are just, you know, with Japan and with the Middle East, you would think that the market would react in a negative way, and it hasn't. So it seems like it's a flight to safety to come to the United States and trade our equities. No matter what happens, this market goes up. You know, whether it's a stimulus or whether it's the fear of other markets, this is a place to put your money.
So you said about Citigroup. What sectors are interesting for you?
What sectors are interesting for me? Particularly, I'm trading banks right now. And the banks have been really underperforming this market for the last year. You know, there's all this sort of overwhelming news about mortgages and their balance sheet, and they have not participated in this rally at all. I trade Citibank, particularly Bank America, and they've been assured, you know, and they're really acting poorly. Specifically in the last month, they've been under a lot of pressure. Citibank had gone as high as $5, up from $3, up from $2 actually, and in the last month it's come in quite a bit. So in Bank America also, which has the most looming potential negative news, there was a WikiLeaks potential that there was some leaks about some information. There's been a lot of problems with their mortgages and their balance sheet. So basically every morning the stock opens up with the market and has been coming in pretty strong.
And of course people want to know, somebody with so much years of trading experience on the floor, what are you buying or selling? So yeah, right now, except of the Citigroup, for example.
Except for Citigroup. Actually, today I bought some gas stocks. Okay. That sector's been up. Okay. Obviously, oils have been up. The last few days we traded some oil service companies, Halliburton, Schlumberger. They've been up a lot. You know, yesterday there was some news about Saudi Aramco was going to increase the number of wells, and that was really bullish on that. And we've been trading some of the retail names. Home Depot yesterday announced that they were going to have a big buyback. So that stock was up 6-7%. So those are the names I've basically been trading.
Are you more a day trader?
I am a day trader, completely a day trader.
Completely?
Yeah.
Completely. So where do you see the indices going in the next months?
You know, this is March is always it's been a strange month traditionally. You know, actually yesterday was the anniversary of 12 years since the market had hit 10,000. Obviously we went much higher after that. It's the end of the quarter. You know, some people think that this is a short squeeze, that the market's going up. Some people think it's window dressing because it's the end of the quarter, the end of the month. I think the market goes higher. You know, I think we're not getting any kind of a sell-off. Even though I am a bear, okay, your opinion has prevailed. Okay, it seems that this is going higher. There's such a huge short interest in the market worldwide, and it just doesn't come in. You know, with the stimulus, there's a lot of money, you know, around, and market just keeps going higher. You know, I fight it on a daily basis, but I've been wrong.
Peter Tuchman called Einstein. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you.
So that was Peter Tuchman called Einstein here at the New York Stock Exchange at Inside Wall Street. Thanks for joining us.